Uh, Hello, uh, hi everyone. Uh, remember in last video we discussed about the baseline baseline project baseline of the project, in which we include everything starting from the scope and until to the deliverable what we provide. So today I have to discuss about the work breakdown structure of the project. So uh, it's a it's the breakdown of the project scope into deliverables, and then that deliverables into the work package, further into the activities. So the purpose of the work breakdown structure is to make it easy that we can manage it properly. And remember I told you that let's say uh, in the work breakdown structure, it's from top to bottom, hierarchical distribution of the project into deliverables and then further activities. So that's called the work breakdown structures. So this is what I have drawn here is a wedding party, and we have to make a schedule for it and how we will do it. So uh, today I will show you how you can decompose or break down the structure into deliverables. So the scope of our project is to organize a wedding party. So let's say what we need a venue where we can arrange the wedding party, and we need the list of the guests which we have to invite, how many guests we will invite. And for the wedding party we need invitation cards, we have to print it and then distribute it. And then we need food, what type of food we will serve to the guest. So that what we need. And we need a dress, gown and ceremony for the weddings. So here is the wedding party is our that's our project. So what I did, I draw a line, and the first I put list of the guest. I give one number to the list of the guest deliverable. The second deliverable is our invitation card, so it's the second one. The third one I put the venue, maybe it's a hall or it's a some place you can manage. And the fourth one I put the food, that's the deliverable. And the fifth one I put the dress and ceremony. So I give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 major deliverables, is that's what we need for our wedding party. So the next what we will do in work breakdown structure to further divide the this deliverable into activities. So in the first one, the list of the guest we divide in two. One section we divide our own family or relatives, and the other one 1.2 we give the number 1.21, and then 1.1 and 1.2 to the guest, which may be outside people and they are our guests and friends. The second one is the invitation of the card. So here I put the printing and dispatching. So this is number 2. So you have to, when you further decompose this deliverable, I decompose in 2. So 2.1 and 2.2 is the number I give. This is the identification number. When you are the place or the marriage hall, that's I didn't further divide. You don't need that everything you have to divide further. The fourth one is the food. So the food I further divided this deliverable into 2 meal and beverages. Beverages may be anything, and the meal then I further divide into vegetarian and non-vegetarian. So the purpose is that you have to identify this food. Let's say it's a deliverable we have to provide. So further divide into meal and beverages, and then the meal. So the number we give 4.1, 4.2. 4.1 I further divide into 4.1.1 and 4.1.2. And the last one is the dressing and ceremony. So this is I just divided. One is 5.1 is the oath and ceremony. So that's the work breakdown structure. Now we will go further, and remember that in work breakdown structure we assign responsibility to every deliverable. I assign the first one to John, the second deliverable to Sosan, the third one to I don't know, the name is maybe John, Lee. The fourth one I give to Chen, and the fifth deliverable I give it to the Victoria. That's the project team members. And then the first one I divide further into family and guests. So this I give to Lee, this to Sam. So remember, you have to give responsibility, assign responsibility to everyone that he will complete that activity. So how this can further be, that's called, I will do in other video, define activity and sequence the activities. So that's another video I will prepare, but this is a general idea. That how you break down the project into deliverables, and then further you divide and assign responsibility, and then it will goes like the family. We will further divide in activities, who will do which activities. So the lead will be responsible for that activity, and the same for the guest. Like, so when everything define the activities and everything, so the last end is called the work package. That's the old work package, is included everything, resources and responsibility, and which turn into deliverable, and then deliverable to the project. So this is a general view about the work breakdown structure. In next video we will go to define activities and sequence the activities, and then further we will provide resources to do a schedule. This is work breakdown. This is the first step after scope and baseline plan. So this is how we do breakdown structure, work breakdown structure. And then we do after this, when we are sequencing, so that will be the network diagram. I hope you guys got an idea about work breakdown structure. Thank you. Have a nice day.